Habayakran beginong patay kubor u Director General ki Puliat Kejela uloong bah kejing huri hura Tura. Kadai kebeladat menesela bat kebelapan kreak bah kejing Thmu ban pen mensau yu Myntri Rangbah Kejela beladat ban kem yaki kat kendai Ngut kebeladan keti ki begentup ru yunong yalam keseng TMC u Richard Merong Marak u balai konik election MLA arajar arpulai na South Tura. Bat usal seng CH Momen u balai konik election MDC kabaladep na Siju constituency. Balakem iki halor kejing keno bagi ladan keti ki kampen huri hura. Uloong baladep ban itu ya ki arpun rungut lengba kejing lap kesai negi video halor kejing kawang mau kejing tang negi kali. U Director General ki Puliat uloong bagi lakan shot ya ki patba ban pen mensau yu Myntri Rangbah bat kila aiding ban chim senan ne kesenjam ki bahaya ban chim senan ne Jingim bat gini kejing le jong ki samla ka kerushai bakadai ke beladak ban sela bat ke beladak ban Thmu lepa ban pen mensau ya u Myntri Rangbah Kejela. U Dr. LR Bishnoi uloong ba on map ya no ru ki badan keti hak ne kam thombor bat ki bapersang ban thombor ya u Myntri Rangbah Kejela ban penjular ki kali jong ki hak sarkar bat shen on set load ya ki badan keti hapatok. Ula pentip ba ki layo ya ki babon ki jingtip na kejaka ke balami ke huri hura ke bakadau syai bakadai ke beladak besela lupa ban pen mensau yu Myntri Rangbah bat keladon ru kejing sam pisa shisngi shwabu Myntri Rangbah unlum ya kejing yalang. U Director General ki Puliat uletho bagiladan kat prangut ki Puliat CRPF bat kawai ke Puliat Home Guard ki bala mensau na kejing sya kawang mau hipat bhur sau teli ki kali kila sya awang ding bat kat nyau teli kilu jular na kejing sya kawang mau. Uletho ru ba kejing long jingman mentah Tura kala kham jai jai hendrai la penjur syo kejing pahara ki Puliat bala pharu yau Inspector General ki Puliat Law and Order ban kemi ibnya bat ban pet ngor ya kejing long jingman. Ki kat kendai Ngut ki belah Shah Kem ki kentup yu Richard Marak u salseng CH Momen u Bartho CH Sangma u Brek Rimseng S Marak u Pangchu R Sangma u Kim K Sangma u Lasbeth M Marak u Sangra R Marak u Great Star N Marak u Brendep R Marak u Akandrik M Sangma u Kushwan M Sangma u Tengchang D Sangma u Tengma CH Marak u Jaseng CH Marak u Gamchu R Sangma u Keben CH Marak bat arngut ki kentai ki bekentup ya Kabelina M Marak bat kadil CH Marak.
Where the Honorable CM was holding meeting at Mini Secretariat with 18 number of representatives from the various NGOs, namely your Achik Conscious Holistically Integrated CRIMA, All India Garo Union, All Achik Youth Forum, All Achik Youth Welfare Society, Garo State Movement Council, New Tura Development Forum, United Garo People's Forum. Other than these NGOs, one senior citizens from Tura, one church representative from Tura, one research scholar of the Garo community, and one the advocate from the Garo NGOs. So total 18 number of persons, they were holding meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister at Mini Secretariat office in Tura. The meeting started at 3:15 p.m. and it continued till 5:45 p.m. It was a long marathon meeting where the discussions were basically concentrated on the demands by the various NGOs in general and two demands in specific. First, the winter capital at Tura, and secondly, the implementation of reservations / a roster policy with retrospective effect. So most of the NGOs, they were discussing in a very, very peaceful ambience. So when the meeting was about to over, then suddenly the crowd started shouting slogans outside the mini secretariats. So Honorable Chief Minister sent certain NGO members outside the mini secretariat office to convince the crowd and not to create scene there. But the crowd became more violent and they instantly started pelting stones on police personnel, on vehicles, on the buildings. And the NGO members, they went inside and they briefed the Honorable Chief Minister. They also categorically told Honorable Chief Minister that the youth, many youth, they were not the part of their NGOs. They appeared first time at the hunger strike site, and they were never a part of any discussions. And the NGOs, they never recognized such youths, so they came first time on the sites, and immediately they created scene there. Number of the 21 number of the vehicles got damaged. The 4 vehicles set on the fires. Out of 4, 2 were completely burnt. One was gypsy, and the second was the Bolero police vehicles. And the 17 vehicles got damaged by pelting stones. Either the glass panes were broken or the body parts of the vehicles were damaged. Out of the 17 vehicles damaged, 5 unfortunately belonged to the Honorable Chief Minister Karkit. The vehicles were parked inside the mini secretariat. The MLA, the William Nagar MLA vehicle was also broken, was also damaged. The Deputy Secretary of Honorable Chief Minister vehicle was also targeted and partially damaged. 2 civil department vehicles were damaged. 4 Meghalaya police vehicles were damaged. One ambulance, the ambulance which was carrying the injured police personnel to civil hospital Tura was also targeted, and the side window glass panes were broken. And other than that, 3 private vehicles were partially damaged. So total 18 persons got injured. The 10 Meghalaya police personnel, 8 male and 2 females. The 1 home guard, the lady home guard was also injured, and the 7 CRPF police personnel also got physical injuries. So in total, the total 18 personnel got injured. After the incident, unfortunate incidents, the police rescued the Honorable Chief Minister, and the Honorable Chief Minister went to his residence, and he appealed all the citizens to maintain peace and calm. So total, yesterday night, the police whole night conducted a massive search after identifications of the accused. With the help of the video footage given by the press reporter, we have identified total 26 numbers of the culprits who indulged in unprovoked violence, and then total 19 number of the accused so far arrested. Out of 19, the 17 are female and 2 are the male accused. We also identified one of the main conspirator, Salseng R. Marak, who was earlier police, I think, RC, and in 2012 he was dismissed from the service for prolonged absence, and he has affiliations with some political party because he tried to contest elections, MDC elections from the Siju of the South Garo Hill districts. So now situation is under fully control, and I categorically state here that we will not spare anyone whoever indulged in the violence and tried to cause damage to the vehicles of government officials and also try to attack the chief ministers. They will not be spared, and they will be behind the bar soon. Police is on hunt for most of the conspirators. They have been identified, and the police is conducting consistently raid since last night, and we have deployed extra forces there, and I have sent the IGP land order to camp there and monitor the whole situation. So now situation is under fully control, and the CRPF and the 2nd Meghalaya Police Battalion personnel are deployed. We have registered a case. The complaint was lodged by the Meghalaya Civil Service officer, Mr. Deplin D. Sangma, and on the basis of he was duty magistrate, on the basis of his complaint, we have registered a case, that is RI Mile Police Station case number 16/23 under various sections of IPC. We have also applied the section of the Meghalaya Maintenance Public Order Act 2010 and the PDPP Act, that is a Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act 1984. And other than that, we have seized substantial numbers of the incriminating materials from the place of occurrence that indicates that the whole incident was pre-planned and conspiracy was hatched to attack Honorable Chief Minister and cause physical damage to him. Seized tons of stones, pebbles from the PO, and 50 numbers of the bamboos used as sticks to beat up the police personnel. We have seized 20 number of catapults, and we have seized one jerrycans full of kerosene oils, and we have also seized 25 number of alcohol bottles from the spot, including 2 lighters, 12 number of matchboxes, and 25 number of half-burnt matchsticks. So that itself indicates that the whole incident was pre-planned and the conspiracy was hatched to attack Honorable Chief Minister and cause damage. Once again, I reiterate that we will not spare anyone, and whoever is found in the hatching conspiracy and involved in the incident will be behind the bar very soon.